Hey guys, hey, welcome back to the channel. Your girl Jamada here. Guys, thank you for all your support. Um, I'm away, I'm in London. But thank you for your support of the channel. Thank you for liking, for commenting, for subscribing. We have officially hit 2K subscribers. Yes, okay. Time to celebrate. But we're gonna hold off the celebration for until when I get back, okay? And then we'll celebrate. I'll do a video to celebrate with you guys. So, guys, thank you so much for subscribing, and welcome to all the new subscribers. Welcome. Let me know where you're subscribing from. Drop it in the comment section below, guys. I'm your girl Jamade. This is the channel where we talk about all things finance, guys. We talk about business credit. That's my favorite topic to discuss. We talk about personal credit. We talk about investing in real estate on this channel, guys. If you ever find yourself in the UK, in London, guys, this video is a quick video to let you know how you can go about performing financial transactions, buying stuff with ease, okay? I'm going to give you the entire rundown on this video, okay? But before I get into the video, guys, please go ahead and hit the like button. I don't know if the like button is here or if it's over here, guys. Wherever the hell that like button is, please go ahead and smash it for me, okay? Thank you so much. Shout out to all of my old subscribers and the new one. Let's get into this video, guys. So I've been here for about a few days now. So far, so good. The only drawback, guys, I would say is the weather. It rains a lot. It's gray. It's muggy. It's cloudy. Um, yeah, but I guess the locals, they're used to it. They just walk in the rain like it's nothing. Everybody goes about their business like it's nothing. But for me, I ain't like that too much. Okay. Um, yeah, give me a sunny weather. Give me some sun. Give me some heat. You know, Maybe it's the African in me. Give me my sun. That's I thrive in that environment. But other than that, it's great, guys. And it's very expensive here. Very expensive. The exchange exchange rate is 82 pounds to 1 USD. So the pound is definitely stronger. It's even stronger than the euro. Okay, so 82 to 1 USD. So if you're traveling here, guys, you can certainly use cash, and I would suggest um, um, as you plan your trip, carve out some time to go to that's if you want to use cash. Carve out some time to go to the bank and get some pounds from the bank, okay? It's always good to have some cash on you, even if you don't want to use cash, right? Because you never know if you run into an emergency or something, you can't use your card. You can always use your cash, okay? You can use your cash for fallback. So before you leave, you can get pounds from your bank, okay? And it's cheaper. But if you wait until you come on this side to try and do it, there's fees involved that might be really high, guys. And then, like I said, the exchange rate is 82 to 1. So you would definitely be coming out of pocket with more USD. So if you can do the transaction with your bank, it would be better. It would save you some money that way. Now, if you don't want to use cash, guys, you can certainly use your credit cards, okay? MasterCard is accepted all throughout the UK. Visa is accepted all throughout the UK. American Express is accepted all throughout the UK, guys. And that doesn't necessarily have to be credit card. You can use your debit card, okay? It automatically does the transaction for you. Your bank will do the transaction for you, and the process will be seamless. You don't have to worry about anything. Like I'm here with my family, so I'm mostly using my credit card. My brother uses his debit. So there hasn't been any issues so far. So far, so good. Everything has been seamless and smooth, guys. I know I just went to I forget the name of the mall, guys. Selfridges or something like that. I don't know. I just got back from there. They will give you the option to complete your transaction in pounds or in USD. So, either one. There was one transaction where I clicked pounds, it went through. There was another transaction where I clicked USD, it went through just as fine. So I wanted to do both so I could see if there were going to be any issues, and there wasn't any. Okay. The transaction went through just as smooth, guys. I chose to use my credit card, guys, because I'm in a foreign country. I don't want to be using my debit card, guys, because guess what? If I'm using my debit card, I'm carrying all the risk. God forbid if something fraudulent happens, that's my money on the line. But if I'm using my credit card, guys, it's American Express money that's on the line. That's taking the liability. If I'm using my Chase, guys, JP Morgan and Chase is the one that's taking on the liability. But so far, everything has been smooth, guys. I was using Uber a lot to go back and forth. I did get one fraud alert on my Amex, but I went back in to see what the transaction was, and sure enough, it was one of the Uber rides that I had taken. I guess the charge was really high, so it kind of alerted American Express that it was an unusual transaction. But I went ahead and I verified it, so they unfreeze my card, and I was able to continue using my card so far. But yeah, guys, so other than that, there hasn't been any issues, guys. You can use your credit cards here, and I would should suggest that you do, because you're going to make the transactions anyway, and why not get some points, some travel points, guys, build up points, and get freebies and offers, and then pay it back. All right. But so far so good, guys. There hasn't been any issues here. There's plenty of Starbucks, Chipotle. I even, there's McDonald's, KFC, all those American type things, guys. It's here too, okay? But yeah. So, and I will say one thing, if you're into designer things, guys, it's a little bit cheaper here if you do the conversion in the UK than if you purchase in the US. So it is slightly cheaper. I know like one of the Dior bags. My sister-in-law is into that, so she was pricing it, and she was telling me that it's a whole $1,000 different, cheaper here in London than it is in the U.S. in America. So yeah, guys. So wanted to share that with you all. So that does it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out to my 2K subscribers. Y'all, oh my God, y'all doing it out here. Y'all just outdoing yourself. Thank you so much. Let's keep going, okay? Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep growing this channel, guys. Okay, it's not just all about me. I enjoy doing these videos. I enjoy sharing the information with you guys. I'm an entrepreneur. If you're watching this video, that tells me you're a forward-thinking person. You're an entrepreneur. You're a wealth builder. So you're in the right community. So, y'all share the video, like, comment, subscribe. Okay. Thank you guys so much. I wish you all the best in all of your endeavors. Do not give up on your goals. Keep putting one foot right in front of the other. And I will catch you on the next video. Thank you guys. Bye.